What we are packing for our international move as a family of 5 with only a few suitcases. So let's go through exactly what we're bringing, and we are not shipping anything. Everything we own is about to go on the plane in just a few short days. We are a very minimalist family, so I think we can do 3 suitcases of all of our belongings and some carry-ons. However, weight is a problem. We can only do 50 pounds. Most international flights is 70 pounds, but the flight we're going on in economy is only 50. So this is our first one. It's not as satisfying because it is more bulky items, but it's bulky items we need and that are heavy. So let's weigh this bad boy and see exactly what we got. I did a whole satisfying pack with me video on TikTok, but here are some more in depth with exactly what we're bringing. On the bottom, we double vacuum sealed our heavy coats, and this is what I think is the heaviest out of all of our clothing. And we double vacuum sealed so to make sure it does not expand while we're on the flight. Now here are all the bulky things on top. These are all the shoes we own besides the ones we're gonna be wearing on the plane. Me and hubby almost have the exact same shoes, so you're gonna see a repeat of things. So Jordan packed his Brooks sneakers. I will be wearing my Brooks sneakers on the plane. I packed away my waterproof Crocs. Hubby is wearing his waterproof Crocs on the plane. Extra pair of shoes for my son, Doc Martens for me. Me and my husband both have our Tevas in here. My Shark Flex Style system with the curling wands, but honestly, I might be getting a Dyson when we're over in Europe. Random camera gear that's heavy. Random content creator and electronics that are heavy. We have European plugs right here. More European plugs, a portable travel washing bag that I brought everywhere with me. I have a ton of liquid and powdered electrolytes, which are crucial for me, and we have NeuroGum for hubby. More European plugs so we can use our devices. Pimple patches and the kids goggles. This pack really is a whole bunch of random stuff that is not our clothing. The other ones are gonna be more satisfying, compact a lot more, and have mostly our toiletries and our clothing. So let's pack her up and then weigh her to see how much she weighs. There is plenty of room in here and I can definitely stack a lot more, but again, the weight is my problem. Okay, we're gonna weigh her. 45. It's 44 to 46. So I'm thinking 45 pounds. Wait, one more time. I still have 5 more pounds. I can still put more stuff in here. I can definitely add a little bit more in here. I think I'm gonna add the baby carrier in here. Okay, I think I'm gonna put the baby carrier in here. And I think I'm gonna put my concentrated coffee in here. So I am bringing some stuff from America. I just think as an American, I'm not used to it yet, but it's gonna take some time to get used to and finding new alternatives. But I'm gonna be bringing some concentrated coffee. I have some protein that's gonna be delivered today. And then I have, of course, my electrolytes. That's crucial for me right now. And then my husband's energy gum. So we will figure out that whole situation. But right now I'm gonna be bringing these, and then my parents are gonna be coming to Europe in March and probably will bring more for me. So we're gonna pack these along in there as well. I just need to get a plastic bag. Hopefully these don't bust because they are glass. I have white chocolate mocha, salted caramel, and cookies and cream. I love me some espresso with just some non-dairy milk, but sometimes I want iced coffee, so I wanna be able to drink some at home. So scared these are gonna bust just because there's not like soft clothing here. It's more bulky items. This is gonna be definitely the chaos suitcase. Kids in the back. If you hear the kids in the background, they're stuck in the house with all this because we do not have a car because we just sold our car today. So trying to record with them has been interesting. That's why I have this little mic. Weigh her again. 48.6. She is fully packed. We're not adding anything else in here. First one done. This is all the clothing my 3 kids own. I vacuum sealed everything in 2 small bags besides the clothing they're wearing right now and on the airplane. But very impressed. This is gonna go in the suitcase now. We're packing everything away. As of right now, we have 3 vacuum sealed bags, and I cannot believe we got almost all of our clothes in here. Packing away this one and just like the randoms of me and my husband's. I'm trying to make it even and flat as much as possible, so I was kind of like playing Tetris, trying to figure everything out. I'm like feeling to see what spots are softer because I know it can deflate flatter. This is about 90% of all of our clothing. My husband has the last little bag, but this is everything. So hopefully this is under 50 pounds and I can put it in the suitcase. We'll see. This is all the clothing my family of 5 owns, down to the sweaters, the coats, the underwear, everything you can think of are in these small bags. It's more than I expected. I'm not gonna lie, as a minimalist family, so I'm a little nervous, but let's pack this up and see if it can fit into suitcases and not weigh over 50 pounds each, because I think we might have to get another suitcase. We'll see. The 2 biggest bags are all the coats and winter coats, so this makes me nervous for weight, and this is what takes up the most room. 8 bags in different sizes. So this suitcase, I'm gonna put some on the bottom, and all of our last minute things right before we leave in the plane is gonna go on the top, such as toiletries and stuff. Let's see, the big ones fit. Okay, the large one can barely fit. Okay, it's one big one. But that's only 2 out of 8, so we still got some work to do. This whole top can be for some shoes and toiletries. This is why I need this bag, because it's easy to get in and out. Let's just weigh this. Not even full. Just, I really don't want a 4th bag. This is already 30 pounds. Let's try this one. This is the long one. This is not going as I thought. I'm gonna need a 3rd bag. So I have this, but I still have this room right here. It's fully empty. I know it's a little off, but it closes. I need to see the weight on this because 41.9. Okay, we can fit more in there. I need the big muscles. It's getting late. I'm gonna have my husband lay out all of them, and we're just gonna play Tetris until we can figure out how we can get them in each suitcase and the weight of them, because I really don't want this last suitcase, but ugh. It's only been like 2 seconds. I turned back the camera. I forgot we're taking this like duffel bag thing and we were gonna put it flat in the suitcase, but I'm like, wait, this is the one with straps. I would rather take this than that suitcase, and this one just bent because it's a duffel bag. It's just like bent to it. So real-time action. Let's see if this all fits. It's like bending. So, okay. It's working. Okay. Okay. The only one I don't have in is this one, which I don't think it's gonna fit in here, but I think I can fit in the other one. We won't have to bring that. I don't want to bring another suitcase. We're getting somewhere. I'm gonna Tetris this because I'm not even gonna record because I feel like it's gonna take too long, and I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna tell you what's going on. All of these bags right here, everything we own as a family of 5. We did have to add one more suitcase, but we have to reorganize it and get it all organized before the plane. But let's go through this because this is a lot. So make sure you follow all of our socials as Mama's Hive and hit the subscribe and follow button because there's a lot more coming.